Welcome back to Motor Vision, the channel where the future of performance, power, and innovation comes alive. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because today we have something truly legendary. After years of anticipation, rumors, and pure muscle car mythology, the new next-generation 2026 Dodge Viper ACR has finally been officially unveiled, and it's every bit as extreme, outrageous, and ground-shaking as fans hoped it would be. The Viper name has always meant one thing: raw, unapologetic American performance. And with the 2026 Viper ACR, Dodge didn't just revive a legend, they redefined it. This is the return of the Serpent, engineered with technology that pushes boundaries while staying loyal to the aggressive soul of the original. Right from the first glance, the 2026 Viper ACR hits you with a race-bred exterior that looks like it escaped a wind tunnel. Not rolled off a production line, the carbon fiber body is sculpted for maximum downforce, with a massive ACR rear wing, deep front splitter, ground-slicing canards, and functional heat extractors, designed to keep airflow clean and the engine cool at full throttle. Everything about this design screams track predator. Under the hood, Dodge delivers the kind of engineering that brings back the thrill of real American supercars. While Dodge hasn't abandoned performance with electrification entirely, the 2026 Viper ACR stays focused on lightweight construction, balanced power delivery, and mechanical purity. Tuned for maximum responsiveness, its power plant is built to deliver heart-pounding acceleration and razor-sharp precision with every shift. The ACR package amplifies all of this. Track suspension, adaptive dampers, giant carbon brakes, and aerodynamic enhancements that make this machine grip like it's glued to the asphalt. Step inside and the transformation is just as intense. The interior is a perfect blend of extreme motorsport focus and modern, high-performance technology. You're greeted by deep racing bucket seats wrapped in Alcantara, a digital performance display loaded with telemetry, and a thick, flat-bottom steering wheel with a red center stripe. Carbon fiber panels dominate the cabin. The center console is stripped down and purposeful, and even the ambient lighting glows in a sinister race-inspired red. Everything is built for the driver. No wasted space, no distractions, just pure Viper attitude. On the road or on the track, the 2026 Viper ACR aims to be one of the most intense driving experiences ever offered in an American production car. It's aggressive, loud, unapologetic, and designed for those who still crave a machine that tests their skills and rewards precision. Dodge clearly wants this new Viper to feel alive, connected to the pavement, responsive to your inputs, and ready to unleash its full potential whenever you dare to push it. Fans have been waiting for the return of the Viper for nearly a decade, and with this official unveiling, Dodge has proved one thing: the legend isn't just back, it's evolved. The 2026 Viper ACR is a statement, a reminder that American performance isn't going anywhere, and the future can still be wild, raw, and breathtakingly powerful. Thanks for watching Motor Vision. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the next generation 2026 Dodge Viper ACR, smash that like button, drop a comment on what you think of the Viper's return, and subscribe for more upcoming reveals. The future of performance has never looked this venomous.